Hi everyone, I'm Dove, Liam's younger sister. In the last episodes, we saw Liam's heart break. He got dumped by his girlfriend, and so many bad things happened to him. He was very sad and lost. But today is a new day. This part is about Liam's journey to feel better and change his life. The title is, Does Liam Have a New Girlfriend? Is it true? Does he really find a new love? Let's watch the story together and find out. Good morning, Liam. Wow, it is so dark in here. Look, the sun is shining.
Dove, please close the curtains. My eyes hurt.
No, Liam, you need to get up. You can't stay in this room forever. It's not healthy.
I don't want to go out. I have no energy. I just want to sleep.
You are not sleeping. You are just hiding. Why don't you go to the gym with me today?
Are you crazy? Look at me. I'm weak. And what about my foot? With a bad foot, I can't do anything.
Listen to me. It's better now. You walked to the kitchen yesterday and you looked fine.
But I can't run or jump. People at the gym are so strong. I will look stupid.
No one will look at you, Liam. Everyone is busy. Moving your body will help your heart feel better.
Do you really think exercise can fix a broken heart?
Yes, when you exercise, you feel happy. You feel strong again. Don't you want to be the old Liam again?
I miss the old Liam. He was happy, and he loved life.
Then let's go. Just 30 minutes. We can walk slowly. I will help you.
Okay, I will try. Just for 30 minutes.
That's the spirit. Go wash your face and put on your sneakers. I'll wait for you in the living room.
Excuse me. Hi, do you know how to use this machine? I'm new here and it looks very complicated.
Oh, hello. This one? It's for your arms and shoulders.
Yes, that's right. I tried to pull this handle, but it didn't move. Am I doing it wrong?
Oh, sure. Let me show you. You need to sit down first. Then you pull this black handle down slowly.
Oh, I see. It's much easier now. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It was hard for me too when I first started. I'm Liam, by the way.
I'm Amanda. Thanks for the help, Liam. Are you a professional trainer? You know a lot about these machines.
No. I'm just a regular member. Actually, I'm recovering from a bad foot, so I can only do light exercises today.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear about your foot. I hope you get better soon.
Thanks, Amanda. It's nice to meet someone new here. My sister usually makes me do all the work.
Sisters are like that. Well, I'll let you get back to your workout. See you around, Liam.
See you around, Amanda.
Liam, why are you staring at the door? Is there something interesting there?
Oh, Dove. No, nothing. I was just thinking about my workout.
Your workout? But
You are not moving. You are just smiling like a crazy person.
I'm not. I just helped a new girl with a machine. Her name is Amanda.
Oh, Amanda. What a beautiful name. And she is very pretty, right?
I don't know. She's okay. She's just a new member.
She is okay? Liam, your face is as red as a tomato. You like her, don't you?
Stop it, Dove. We just talked for 2 minutes. She only asked for help.
2 minutes is enough for a spark. See? I told you the gym is a great place. You have a new friend now.
She's just being polite. Don't say anything crazy, okay?
Okay, I won't say anything. But can I tell Mom that you have a gym crush?
No, don't you dare.
Liam and Amanda sitting in a tree.
Liam, come back here.
Liam, I'm so late for my English class. Can you help me?
Ugh, what is it, Dove? I am still a bit tired.
Please go to the library. I need this book for my homework. Its name is Modern Art.
The library? It is very far.
No, it's just 10 minutes away. Please, Liam, the fresh air is good for you.
Okay, I will go. Give me the paper. Modern art. Modern art. Where is it? Everything is so quiet here.
Liam? Is that you?
Amanda! Hi, what a surprise. Are you studying here?
Yes, I come here every Wednesday. I love this library because it is very peaceful. What are you doing here?
My sister, Dove, is very busy today. She asked me to borrow a book for her, but I can't find it.
Oh, I know that book. Let me help you. It is on the top shelf over there.
Thank you, Amanda. You are like a professional guide.
I just spent a lot of time here. I love reading.
Me too. I like stories about travel and nature.
Really? Me too. I'd love to talk more about books. Do you want to sit down for a minute?
Sure, I'd love to. My foot is a bit tired, and I like talking to you.
Sit here, near the window. The view is beautiful.
Thank you, Amanda. You know, I feel much better today because I met you.
I'm happy to hear that, Liam. Everyone has bad days, but flowers always grow again.
That is very beautiful. Thank you.
Welcome back, Liam. It is good to see you again. You look much better.
Thanks, sir. I feel like a new person now. I have more energy today.
I can see that. Your eyes are bright and you are smiling. How is your foot?
It is almost 100% better. I can walk and stand for a long time now.
That's great news. We missed you here. The customers asked about the kind waiter every day.
Really? I am happy to hear that. I miss the smell of coffee too.
So are you ready to work? We have a lot of orders this morning.
Yes, I am ready. I want to stay busy and make the best coffee in the city.
That's the spirit, Liam. Remember, if you feel tired, just tell me. Don't work too hard.
Don't worry, sir. I know how to take care of myself now. My sister Dove taught me a lot.
Dove is a smart girl. Okay, let's start the day. Put on your apron and let's go.
Life is good. I have a job, a great sister, and maybe a new friend.
Amanda, hi. What a surprise to see you here.
Hi, Liam. I was walking nearby and I remembered you work here, so I decided to visit.
I'm so happy you came. Do you want to try our best coffee?
Yes, please. I'd love a hot latte, but not too much sugar.
Coming right up. Please sit over there. I will bring it to you in a minute.
Here is your latte, Amanda. And a small piece of chocolate cake for my favorite customer.
Oh, thank you. You are so kind, Liam. It smells amazing.
Amanda, I wanted to ask you something.
Yes, what is it?
I really enjoyed our talk at the library. You are very easy to talk to.
I feel the same way, Liam. You are a very interesting person.
Well, are you free this Sunday? There is a beautiful flower festival in the park. Would you like to go with me?
A flower festival? I love flowers. I'd love to go with you, Liam. That sounds wonderful.
Really? That's great. I can pick you up at 10 a.m.
Perfect. I'm looking forward to it. See you on Sunday.
I'm nervous. I'm meeting Amanda in 2 hours, and I don't know what to wear.
Chill out, big brother. Let me help you. I am a fashion expert, remember?
Okay, expert. Should I wear this formal black suit or this yellow t-shirt?
A suit to a flower festival? No, you will look like a businessman. And the yellow t-shirt is too bright. You are not a lemon.
Then what should I wear? I want to look handsome, but natural.
How about this blue linen shirt? It matches your eyes. And you can wear these beige trousers.
It feels comfortable, but is it too simple?
Simple is best. You look great. Now, let's talk about your hair. It's a mess.
You're right. I need some hair gel.
And don't forget a little bit of perfume, but just a little bit. You don't want to smell like a flower shop.
Thanks, Dove. I feel much more confident now.
You look handsome, Liam. Now go. Don't be late for your date.
Wow, look at all these colors. I didn't know the park was this beautiful in spring.
It's like a dream, Liam. These yellow sunflowers are my favorite. They are so bright and happy.
They are beautiful, but I think you look even better today.
Oh, thank you, Liam. That's very sweet. I really like your blue shirt, too. It's a great color for you.
Thanks. Dove helped me choose it. She said it matches my eyes.
Dove is a very smart sister. You are lucky to have her.
I am. So, Amanda, do you come to this festival every year?
Yes, I love nature. It makes me feel peaceful and relaxed. What about you?
To be honest, I usually stay at home, but today I am very happy I came with you.
Me too. Look at that rose garden over there. Shall we take a photo together?
I'd love to.
Let me find someone to help us.
Say cheese.
Cheese! I hope this day never ends.
Well, 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 look who is back. Why are you smiling like that, Liam?
Oh, hi, Dove. It's a beautiful evening, isn't it?
So tell me everything. How was the date? Was it boring? Did you trip again?
No, it was perfect. The flowers were beautiful, the weather was great, and Amanda, she is amazing.
Amazing, huh? Did you guys hold hands? Did you take a photo?
We talked for hours, Dove. We have so many things in common. She likes books, she likes nature, and she likes me.
Really? Does that mean...
Yes, I have a girlfriend now. Amanda said she wants to see me again next weekend.
Wow, I knew it. My styling worked. You don't look like a ghost anymore. You look like a happy man.
Thank you, Duff. Seriously, you helped me get out of that dark room. You were the best sister.
I'm so happy for you, big brother. You deserve to be happy. So, when can I meet my new sister?
Soon, Dove, soon. But first, let's celebrate. Do you want to order pizza?
Only if you pay.
Deal.
And that is the end of today's story. In life, we all have sad days. We all have moments when we feel lost, just like Liam. But remember, when one door closes, another one opens. You just need to take a small step. Go out, meet new people, and take care of yourself. Liam was lucky because he had me, but he was also brave because he decided to try again. Now Liam is happy with Amanda. He has a new job, energy, and a big smile. I am so proud of my big brother. Thank you for watching Liam's journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more stories. And tell me, have you ever found happiness again after a sad time? See you in the next story. Goodbye.